Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the leveling leg on your dryer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, depending on which leveling leg that you're replacing will determine how you need to position the dryer. If we're replacing one of the front leveling legs, we simply need to pull it far enough forward that you can tilt it back. Now, that typically will involve disconnecting the vent so that you don't damage that, but you may not need to unplug the dryer. If you're replacing one of the rear legs, you'll want to pull the dryer far enough forward that you can access it. That will typically mean that you'll need to disconnect the power as well as the vent. You can either tilt it sideways at that point or have somebody support it by tilting it forward. Now, depending on the condition of the old leveling leg, you may be able to turn it out by hand. If not, you can take a pair of slip joint pliers or a large adjustable wrench. Remove and discard the old one. And line up the new one in the opening. And turn it by hand to ensure that you don't get it in cross-threaded. And typically you can thread that in as far as you need by hand. We would then set the dryer down and make sure that it's level or sitting on all 4 feet evenly. Once that's done, we can push it back into place. Now, once we have the dryer secure, your repair is complete.